So my car has not been wanting to start. Every time I get gas, it just goes kick, 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 kick. So I watched this video and this guy said basically you need to test this part here to see if the valve is stuck open. And you got to take these two pieces off, the electrical and the part that goes to the gas line, I guess. And if you take this piece of paper, if I start the car and this paper stays stuck to it, then that means that it's stuck open, and so I need to replace it. So I bought a new part anyway, just in case. And so let's check it out. Okay, so that means I need to replace that piece, and so there's a screw back there like this, so I got to go through my husband's wrench set and find, I think, a number size 10. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I couldn't find a little socket wrench, so I guess I gotta use this thing. If I can get it off. Let's see. Just need to get it loosened. And then I can twist it off. So basically, ladies, sometimes some of these things are easy to fix on your own. You just have to pretty much Google it. You can find anything on Google or YouTube. Let's see. I think I did a couple more little twists. It'd be much easier if I had that socket wrench. Screwed in there. Let's see. I think I got it. Alright, so that piece is off. This piece just goes right back into the same holes. And you just think I had it. Let's get it started in home. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, so this screw was a little bit bigger. It had a bigger head on it than the other one did. So I'm able to twist this one on without any problems. So let's just do the little paper. Where'd my paper go? Okay, paper flew away. So I'm gonna do the paper test again. See if that theory pans out. See if I got it on there good. Let's see. It's not sticking. Woo, I did it. So now I can just put the parts back on, put the electrical part back, put this valve part back, and we should be good to go. I'm gonna crank it one more time, see what happens. I did it. No more sputtering, because it was just...
One of those young men.
No, they're not. Bye, guys.